Hello students, I am Vidyasagar, lecturer in computer science. In this video session, I am going to explain about the basic text formatting tags of HTML and how to write the comments in HTML. This is our session number 5. I am expecting outcome from the students after this session. Students should be able to understand and implement various text formatting tags and implement the comments in the web pages. These are the HTML formatting tags we have. Please remember, tags are also known as elements. What is a comment? A comment is a piece of code which is ignored by any browser. Say for example, if you have used C language compilers or C++ compilers, so you will write the comments there and you will follow a specific style of writing the comments, and such kind of comments are generally ignored by the compilers. In the similar way, here where we are seeing our HTML programs outputs, HTML document outputs, where we are able to see in the browser, where we are running our HTML documents in the browser. So browser is like a compiler for us. So the browser is going to ignore the comments. So it will not worry about, the browser will not worry, whatever you are writing in the comments. So you can see here HTML comments are placed in between this. So angular bracket, left angular bracket open, exclamatory mark, hyphen, hyphen, and you write your code. So if it is a single line comment, you can end you can end your comment in the single line with the hyphen, hyphen, right angular bracket. If it is multi-line, then you start with this and then you keep on typing your comments, and the closing must be this hyphen, hyphen, right angular bracket. Anyhow, we will be seeing this in practically now. Let us start coding. Opening one notepad file, writing the first line of the HTML document, doc type HTML, which is mandatory for every program. Now HTML tag opening, HTML body tag opening, sorry, yeah, okay. Now I will close the body tag also, and then I will close the HTML tag. So in between these I will explain the various formatting tags. Let us start with the formatting tags. Okay, right. First is, I will use B tag. B stands for bold tag. Okay, so I will write the word itself, the same word itself, so that in the output window it will be easy for you to understand what is the tag name. So I am writing the tag name itself, B for bold. Next, I will use one break tag. Always I will use a break tag so that you can see the output very clearly. Otherwise it will be coming in a one line, so it is very clumsy and you will not understand properly. So I am using the break tag. Okay, next formatting tag is a strong also looks like the bold tag only. Right. Next, I will use break tag. Next, italic. I stands for italic. Closing the I tag, italic. And there is another tag which is similar to italic, that is emphasized, EM. Okay, it is a tag. Tag always has to be in the angular brackets. Emphasized, emphasized. Okay, closing the em tag. Right, break. Okay, the next mark. If you wanted to mark any data, then you will use the mark tag. Mark, and closing the mark tag. Next, break. Now small. Okay, small. Okay, then I will write like this. Say for example, Dell corporations. Say for example, I am writing some data like this. So in the output window, I am going to explain what is small can do, what is big can do. Next, I will use one tag called del. Del stands for delete, and delete, closing the del tag. Next, break, and I'm going to use another tag called ins. Ins stands for insert. See, already you developed one web page, and later on, I mean, so for example, I have given some material for you people to read, and if I added some more text, means if I am inserting some more new text, then I should use ins. Okay, so once the web page is given to the users, and later on, if you are giving any information, if you are adding any information, if you are inserting any new information, then at that point of time, ins has to be used. So insert ins and a break tag. The next, subscript. So this is another tag. So subscript and superscript, I will show it after showing this output. Then I will show you subscript and superscript separately. Okay, let me save this. So saving as demo.html. Saved. Okay, now let me show you the output and discuss about this. Okay, so a little bit zooming for you. Bold, strong. Okay, so all are appearing in bold. There might be some mistake somewhere. So bold, break tag. Okay, see here, this is the mistake. So I have not closed the strong tag. So that is the reason what happened. So all data is appearing with a strong style. Okay, bold and strong both are same only. If one is not working, you can use another. Okay, right, now let me save this. So am I closing all other things so that I am not making the same mistake again? Yeah, yes, I saved the program. I am reloading the program. Yes, bold and strong looks same. This is italic and emphasize looks same. B for bold, B strong, the word strong itself. For italic, I for emphasized, em for mark. Say you wanted to mark, you wanted to highlight any data, then mark tag is useful. Okay, Dell corporations. Okay, so generally small, what will happen is by default there will be some font, right? So if you wanted to reduce the font by 1 point, then use the small tag. If you wanted to increase the default font by 1 point, then use the tag called big. Right. Next, delete. What is delete here? Delete is nothing but strike through. So once upon a time we have a tag called strike through. It's not working now. So del is a tag which we are using for strike through any information. And already I told you about insert. Insert in the sense, if you are inserting any data, then you can use this ins tag. Okay, right. Now it's a time for us to see superscript and subscript. I will use two more break tags, two more break tags. Yes. Now I will write here. Say for example, I know subscript and superscript. I will explain with some chemical equations and mathematical equations. Subscript. Sub means it has something has to come down, right? So if I wanted to represent H2O, water molecule, H2O, that 2 is coming down, right? So let me show you that. So first H has to come, and where that 2 has to come, that 2 has to come as a subscript. So in between the sub tag, so in between the sub tag, write the number 2, and then O, H2O. Okay, this is O. Right. Next, again I will use two break tags. I am using two break tags to demonstrate uh, superscript for you. Say for example, ax square plus bx plus c. So I am not writing full ax square plus bx square plus c, something like that. Simply I will write like this: a x square, means that 2 has to come as a superscript, right? Then sup, and I have to write 2 and then close the sup tag. So I hope you are able to understand this. So whatever the content you wanted to see as a subscript, then put that in within the sub tag. Okay, and if whatever you wanted to see as a superscript, then just place that content in the super tag, between the super tag. So I saved the program and I am reloading. Oh, saved, control S once again I am doing it, and I am reloading the page. Okay, so you can see here H2O. See, 2 is coming down. Why only 2 is coming down? Because I wrote the content like that. Okay, so only 2 has to come down. Okay, and next you can see here, this is 2. This 2 is coming, on the little bit up to this x. Okay, it means it's a superscript. So whatever the content you write here, okay, that will come. Say for example H, then I will write, say for example, uh, Sachin Tendulkar. Some text I will write here, Sachin Tendulkar, and here superscript I will write my name. Say for example Vidya Sagar. Okay, Vidya Sagar. Okay, let me save the program and reload the page to see the changes. See here, the word whatever, I mean, in between that subscript sub tag, what I wrote Sachin Tendulkar. So that's why it is coming little bit down. So Vidyasagar, is this word is coming up. Why? Because I have written in the sup tag. So I hope you understand all the text formatting tags, right? Now it's the time for us to see the comments. Say if you wanted to write any comment, okay, what is the way of writing the comment? I told you, angular bracket, okay, angular bracket, open the exclamatory, start with the exclamatory mark, hyphen hyphen. So some text, so this is not visible, whatever you write, okay, whatever you write, okay, something I am typing, and whatever you write, that is not going to be visible in the output part. Okay, it is not going to be visible. Why? The browser is ignoring this information. Okay, you can see that. See, nothing is coming. Okay, it's not coming. This text is not coming. I saved the program. Okay, I will show you that I am saving the program. I clicked on the save button and reloading. See, it is, I mean, that information whatever I wrote has been ignored. Generally, you are a web program developer, so important information about the program, uh, about the commands, when you are writing this program, and date, time, all, any kind of a stuff which may be useful for documentation purpose, generally we write that as comments. Okay, right. So then what about the multi-lines? So when how, I mean, how the multi-line will work? So multi-line works like this. Say exclamatory mark open and hyphen hyphen, this is a multi-line comment. So I gave the multi-line comment. So whatever, this is like opening, and this is like closing of the comment for multi-line comments. Okay, So saving the program and reloading the program. See, it's not coming. Nothing is coming because it is considering as a comment by the compiler, by the browser, and that is the reason it is being ignored. So I hope everybody have understand these concepts. B tag is for bold, strong is for same bold appearance or strong appearance, I for italic, and em for emphasize. Same italic and emphasize both are same. Mark is to highlight the data. Generally small and big are used to decrease and increase the font size by 1 point. Del is used to delete the data, means a strike through effect you can see by using the del command. And ins is whenever you are inserting any new data, then you can use ins. So br tag is for break tag. So this is the way of writing the comments. And next what we have seen, subscript and superscript. Subscript means if you want any data to come little bit down, so then you can write that particular content within the sub tag. If you want any data to come as a superscript, use the sup superscript tag. Okay, so closing of the body tag and closing of the html tag is happened here. And please remember, for every HTML program, exclamatory mark doc type HTML is compulsory to be used. So that's all about this. So let me go back to the presentation. Hoping that everybody understood all the text formatting tags. Actually, there are plenty of formatting tags are there. So, but whatever I explained are very, very essential tags which you have to know. So these are the useful web resources for you people. And if you have any doubts, please don't hesitate. Just reach me through Gmail or my WhatsApp number. And thank you very much and have a great time.